I'm going to show you how to make taskbar icons smaller. So guys, if you want to make taskbar icon smaller, so very easy. Firstly, right click taskbar area. After click on taskbar settings, and here option use small taskbar buttons. So if you want to show, so slash to on position. That is that is. So guys, this is very simple. First right click on taskbar settings. After slash to on position, use smaller taskbar buttons. That's so guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to make taskbar icons smaller in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome guys. Today in